Welcome back. This is an update to the 20 horsepower Chrysler I put up a little while ago. The flywheel had some difficulty. It was super stuck and it completely broke. I'll place that aside for now. And what I found was that somebody had done something along the lines. I mean, this is a 56-year-old motor. I don't know what happened there. But I think what was going on was it spread and it was holding the flywheel on because it would not budge at all. But obviously, I finally got it off. Here's what was stuck to the crank. I had to use a mini grinder and split it so that it would pop off. Now I do have a spare flywheel. Actually, I have a couple, so I'm okay that way. The points, I believe somebody has replaced these. I don't think these are original. They look really, really clean. I took them to the sandblaster and I cleaned up the contact there, trying to get a decent picture. But I haven't put it together yet. Uh, Busy doing things. So anyway, I'm going to fix that up a little bit there because that is no good the way that is. Let's try to get a better shot here because that's just going to spread again and cause more problems. But I'll figure something out. Hopefully, I can get a spark out of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.